What's up folks, and welcome back to the garage. Today we will start the project diff. Next I will loosen the nuts from the tires, then I will jack the car up. After that I will take the tires away, then I will open the diff and take the oil out, and after that we will see what we will do next. Now the easy job is done, and I will show you what I have to do next. This diff is actually in quite good condition. There's no slack at all, almost. Next I have to take the axles off. That will be a quite complicated task. I will show you later what I have to do. But for example, I have to take the brake disc and brake calipers off, so I can get the axles off, and after that I have to take these away, and it's important that I don't mix these, because you can see there's a letter A there, and there's also letter A, and on the other side you can see the letter B, and there's also B there. So it's important to put these back like they are now. These holes here and here. I have seen that there is that kind of special tool that you can spread this a little bit, so you can get the diff much easier away, but I don't have that kind of special tool, so I have to cope without that. So I hope after I got the axles off and these off, I hope the diff will come out sooner or later. It has been a while when I have taken the axle off, so I try to remember what should I do, and I have the instructions here, but these are quite or little too simple instructions. But if I remember correct, I have to take the brake disc off and then the brake caliper, and after that I will see what other bolts I have to take out before I can get the axle out. But I will do this side first, so then the other side will be much easier. I managed to get the brake disc away and the caliper is already there, and as you can see, there's one bolt there and second there. There's 4 bolts, and you can see the big hole here. I can get the socket there through this, so after that I should get the axle out if I remember correctly. There's a chance I don't remember right, but we shall see after we have got those 4 bolts away. Oh, I managed to get the axle out, perfect. It came very easily actually, and as you can see, it's very thick. I understand very well why many wants to use these Volvo axles. They are very heavy duty, and when you look at there, you can see the diff there. So now we just have to do the same thing to the other side. Now we have both axles out. The second was a little bit tighter than the first one. And next I will take out those 4 bolts, and after that I try to get the diff out. Now I have the diff here in the vise, and next I will take all these bolts away so I can get the ground wheel away, because I don't want that it get hurt in the welding process. And my plan is that I will, or actually my friend who is much better welder, he will weld this here, here and here from the 4 places first, these together, and then I will put here some material here in like this, and a piece of metal, and then it's easier to weld also from all these places. This way it will be so strong that I don't have any troubles with this diff in the future. This was actually much easier project to take out than I thought, and now it only needs my friend's attention and the welder, and I hope putting this back on is as easy as this one, so I hope everything goes well. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and remember to break the like button, and please give me some comments down below, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do it right away, and also remember to press the bell. Thanks for watching and see you soon!